Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kajal, and in today's video I'm going to share how I styled one denim skirt in 5 different ways. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that bell button so that you don't miss out my next videos. Now let's just begin. First up, I have the semi-formal look, which is perfect for any semi-formal conference, seminar, etc. In this one, I'm pairing an ankle boot with the skirt, of course, and an oversized white shirt stolen from my brother. Next up, I have this casual look, perfect for outings with your friends, daytime outings, etc. In this one, I'm pairing a pair of shoes, the skirt of course, and a white tank top with an oversized check shirt, again stolen from my brother. How could I forget the denim on denim look, which looks absolutely perfect. Again with the ankle boots, the skirt, and a denim shirt with a cute knot. Next up is my favorite look. It's very cute, very trendy, yet very effortless. So I'm pairing a pair of sandals or whatever you get, the skirt obviously, and a kurti, a very traditional kurti. Last but not the least is this cute yet sexy look in which I'm wearing a stole as a shrug over a white tank top. Added a belt to accentuate the waist, and that's it. So that was it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you and you enjoyed watching it. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that bell button. And do not forget to comment down below which was your favorite look, and like this video, of course.
Yeah, baby!